1. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $36,500, located Rochester Hills, Michigan. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a beautifully built custom hot rod that combines timeless street rod styling with dependable small block Chevrolet performance. Featuring a fiberglass body finished in bright yellow with a black interior, the coupe has an aggressive appearance that perfectly captures the spirit of traditional American hot rod culture. Under the hood sits a 327 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth, reliable power for cruising and weekend driving. The drivetrain also includes a Posey rear end and front and rear disc brakes for improved handling and stopping performance. Additional comfort and convenience features include power windows, tilt steering column, Bluetooth AM/FM radio, working cowl vent, and a front windshield that rolls outward for classic vintage-style airflow. The car rides on black steel wheels with wide rear tires that give it a strong street rod stance and classic custom appearance. Showing just over 5,000 miles, this Ford coupe remains in excellent condition and runs and drives very well. This 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors and enthusiasts searching for a stylish and dependable vintage hot rod with authentic American character. 2. 1930 Ford Coupe Street Rod. Price, $31,500, located Newport, New Hampshire. This 1930 Ford Coupe Street Rod is a professionally customized hot rod that combines classic Ford styling with aggressive street machine performance. Finished in beautiful wineberry paint with realistic flame graphics, the car has a bold appearance that immediately stands out at car shows and cruise nights. The body has been chopped, channeled, and tubbed to create a low aggressive stance that perfectly complements its traditional hot rod personality. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 355 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission for strong acceleration and dependable street performance. Additional upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.90 gears, chrome drop I-beam front suspension, rear coilovers, and large Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires mounted on polished centerline wheels. Inside, the beige leather and cloth interior features custom flame patterns molded into the headliner, trunk, and door panels for a unique personalized finish. Minor scratches and a small dent are present but do not affect the overall appearance or driving experience. This Ford coupe offers timeless street rod styling combined with powerful V8 performance and excellent craftsmanship throughout. 3. 1934 Chevrolet Standard Coupe. Price, $35,500, located Canton, Ohio. This 1934 Chevrolet Standard Coupe is a classic all-steel street rod built with timeless hot rod styling and dependable Chevrolet V8 power. Featuring a chopped top and suicide doors, the car carries an aggressive custom appearance while maintaining the original character of the iconic 3-window coupe design. Finished in teal with pearl white scallops, the exterior has a deep custom shine that often appears blue depending on lighting conditions. Under the hood sits a 350 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for reliable cruising and strong street performance. Additional upgrades include polished Boyd wheels, stainless steel exhaust system, and a Walker radiator that helps maintain cool operating temperatures during long drives. The interior has been described as very clean and comfortable, matching the overall quality of the vehicle. The owner has enjoyed the car for several years and states that it attracts attention everywhere it goes thanks to its custom styling and classic hot rod attitude. While not a perfect show vehicle, this Chevrolet coupe remains a very solid and enjoyable street rod that runs and drives exceptionally well with authentic vintage American hot rod appeal. 4. 1938 Pontiac Businessman's Coupe. Price, $7,000, located Muncie, Indiana. This 1938 Pontiac Businessman's Coupe is a vintage hot rod project with strong restoration potential and authentic old-school custom character. Powered by a 327 Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car runs and drives but will require brake work before regular road use. The body remains mostly original steel construction and retains much of its classic pre-war Pontiac styling despite previous modifications and older repair work. Finished in white with a blue interior, the vehicle carries the appearance of a traditional vintage hot rod that would make an exciting restoration project for the right enthusiast. The original suspension and axles remain in place, preserving much of the car's original mechanical personality while benefiting from the upgraded drivetrain combination. The owner purchased the vehicle with plans to restore and customize it further but has since shifted focus to other projects. Although the coupe requires attention and additional work, it offers excellent potential for collectors or builders searching for a rare classic American project car with solid hot rod foundations, vintage styling, and plenty of opportunity for personalization and performance upgrades. 5. 1930 model A hot rod. Price, $32,000, located Shelby, Michigan. This 1930 model A hot rod is a beautifully restored custom street rod built with attention to detail and strong American V8 performance throughout. The vehicle underwent a complete frame-off restoration and presents itself as a clean, high-quality build designed for both show and street driving enjoyment. Powered by a rebuilt Chevrolet crate engine paired with an overdrive transmission, the car delivers smooth, reliable performance while maintaining the aggressive personality expected from a traditional hot rod. The suspension setup includes a 4-link rear system and straight axle front end that provide classic street rod styling combined with improved handling and ride quality. Finished with excellent exterior and interior presentation, this Model A has reportedly earned show-winning recognition thanks to its craftsmanship and standout appearance. The vehicle also features quality wheels and tires that perfectly complement its low aggressive stance and vintage body lines. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate timeless American hot rod culture, this 1930 Model A combines classic Ford heritage with dependable upgraded mechanical components, making it an excellent choice for collectors seeking a professionally finished custom street rod with proven show quality appeal. 6. 1932 Pontiac sedan. Price, $38,000, located Owenton, Kentucky. This 1932 Pontiac sedan street rod is a professionally built custom hot rod featuring high-end craftsmanship, powerful V8 performance, and impressive modern suspension upgrades. Built on a fully custom frame by Chassis Research, the car features a 3-inch channeled body and aggressive stance that perfectly complements its matte high-octane red exterior finish. Power comes from a professionally built 383-stroker engine equipped with aluminum heads, MSD ignition system, Holley carburetor, and Schoenfeld headers for strong dependable performance. Paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and high stall converter, this Pontiac delivers smooth shifting and impressive acceleration on the street or highway. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, speedway drop axle front suspension, coilover rear suspension, Ford 8.8 Posey rear end, braided fuel lines, aluminum radiator, and custom driveshaft components. The interior combines vintage styling with modern comfort and includes custom roof canvas, white wall tires, and detailed finishing touches throughout the build. With only a few hundred miles since completion, this Pontiac sedan remains in outstanding condition and offers collectors a rare opportunity to own a professionally assembled street rod with exceptional craftsmanship and authentic American hot rod style. 7. 1932 Ford Phantom Phaeton. Price, $36,900, located Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1932 Ford Phantom Phaeton is a stunning custom street rod inspired by the legendary Deuce Ford that helped create American hot rod culture. Built on a tubular steel chassis with a fiberglass body and removable hardtop, this custom Phaeton combines classic Ford styling with modern engineering and comfort. Finished in beautiful two-tone blue and white paint, the car has a clean, elegant appearance that perfectly highlights its long flowing body lines and open 4-door design. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission for smooth, reliable cruising performance. Additional upgrades include Edelbrock carburetor, V-Force exhaust system, independent front suspension, coilover rear shocks, and triangulated 4-bar rear suspension for improved ride quality and handling. Inside, the light blue leather interior is accented by custom striping, white gauges, stainless steering wheel, and upgraded Pioneer stereo system. Every detail throughout the build reflects careful craftsmanship and traditional hot rod personality. This Phantom Phaeton is an outstanding custom classic that combines timeless Ford heritage, modern drivability, and true American street rod culture in one exceptional package. 8. 1932 Ford Coupe. Price, $35,000, located Avon, Ohio. This 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is a powerful custom hot rod featuring aggressive styling, supercharged V8 performance, and dependable street drivability. Built using an Outlaw fiberglass body and frame, the car captures the iconic appearance of the legendary Deuce Coupe while benefiting from modern construction and upgraded mechanical components. Finished in sleek black paint, The coupe has a deep glossy appearance that perfectly complements its aggressive hot rod stance and classic three-window body design. Under the hood sits a 350 small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a massive 671 blower and fueler cylinder heads, delivering impressive horsepower along with a deep supercharged exhaust tone. The drivetrain also includes a turbo 350 automatic transmission and Ford 9-inch Posey rear end with 3.89 gears for strong acceleration and dependable highway cruising. The owner describes the car as reliable and cool running, making it ideal for both local cruising and longer drives. With only a few hundred miles reported, this Ford coupe remains in excellent condition and represents a perfect combination of vintage American hot rod culture, modern performance upgrades, and timeless street rod styling. 9. 1934 Ford Glass. Price, $20,000, located Dayton, Ohio. This 1934 Ford Glass Coupe is a classic custom hot rod built with strong small block Chevrolet performance and timeless street rod styling. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body finished in black, the car carries an aggressive appearance that perfectly captures the spirit of traditional American hot rod culture. Power comes from a fully balanced 355 cubic inch Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a reliable combination that delivers smooth shifting and impressive street performance. The vehicle is described as running very strong and offers an exciting driving experience for enthusiasts who appreciate old-school V8 powered customs. Additional upgrades include electric door locks and power windows, although the power window system still requires some finishing work and the doors currently do not contain glass. The low-mileage build remains in solid mechanical condition and has reportedly been owned by the same individual since completion. With its aggressive stance, dependable drivetrain, and classic custom appearance, this 1934 Ford Glass Coupe is an excellent option for collectors and street rod enthusiasts searching for a vintage-style hot rod with strong performance potential and authentic American custom character. 10. 1936 Plymouth Coupe Tudor. Price, $38,000, located Mecosta, Michigan. This 1936 Plymouth Coupe Tudor is a beautifully finished 5-window street rod that combines timeless pre-war styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance and modern comfort upgrades. Finished in stunning House of Color candy brandywine paint over a black base, the exterior has a deep glossy appearance that highlights the smooth body lines and classic coupe proportions. Under the hood sits a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and B&M floor shifter, creating a strong and reliable drivetrain combination for comfortable cruising and weekend driving. Additional upgrades include a Heights front suspension system with stabilizer bars, Chevrolet 10-bolt rear end, Willwood power brakes, power steering, and American racing wheels wrapped in excellent condition tires. The beige leather interior has been completely redone and provides a clean, comfortable atmosphere that matches the overall quality of the build. Power windows and power trunk lift add extra convenience while maintaining the car's custom luxury feel. With only a few thousand miles since completion, this Plymouth Coupe remains in outstanding condition and represents an excellent opportunity for collectors searching for a professionally built American street rod with classic style and modern drivability. 11. 1931 Ford Sedan. Price, $18,500, located Sonora, Kentucky. This 1931 Ford Sedan is a custom chopped 4-door hot rod that combines traditional Ford styling with reliable Chevrolet V8 performance and classic street rod attitude. Finished in bright red with a gray interior, the car has a bold vintage appearance that stands out at local cruise nights and weekend car gatherings. The body has been professionally chopped to create a lower, more aggressive roofline while still maintaining the unmistakable profile of the original early Ford sedan design. Power comes from a dependable 350 Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing smooth operation and strong street performance for enjoyable cruising. Additional upgrades include new wheels and tires that improve both appearance and road handling while enhancing the vehicle's classic hot rod stance. The car reportedly runs and drives well and offers an exciting old-school driving experience with authentic American custom character throughout the build. This Ford sedan is ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional street rod culture and want a classic custom vehicle with reliable V8 power, vintage styling, and strong potential for continued personalization or weekend enjoyment. 12. 1932 Ford Roadster Convertible. Price, $37,500, located Winchester, Kentucky. This 1932 Ford Roadster convertible is a professionally built custom hot rod that delivers classic Deuce Roadster styling with modern performance upgrades and impressive street manners. Powered by a new Blueprint 350 crate engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car offers strong reliable performance along with smooth dependable cruising capability. The lightweight fiberglass body features a clean red exterior with a tan interior, creating a timeless appearance that perfectly captures the spirit of traditional American hot rod culture. Additional performance upgrades include Willwood disc brakes, Mustang 2 front suspension, rack and pinion steering, and upgraded chassis components that improve handling, braking, and overall drivability. The owner describes the car as exceptionally well built with no squeaks or rattles, which is especially impressive for a fiberglass body street rod. The vehicle reportedly runs and drives excellent while delivering the aggressive stance and exciting V8 performance enthusiasts expect from a classic 1932 Ford build. Combining dependable modern mechanical components with legendary Ford styling, this Roadster convertible is an outstanding choice for collectors and street rod enthusiasts searching for a high-quality custom hot rod with strong performance and timeless American appeal.